like fishing, Wilbur. You bait the hook, you throw it out, and then you reel them in real slow. You ask them questions about their family, what they do. You act like you're interested. And once you get their trust, kapowie! You just sold a car!
Tired of being bad.
All right, so that actually, if that's really how customers perceive us, in some cases that sucks. If that's how you feel, that when you're getting this information, that you're just getting it, you don't really care about it, that sucks too. So really, here's what I'm going to leave you with, this Zig Ziglar quote, and that is, if you help enough people get what they want, write this down. If you help enough people get what they want, if you help enough people get what they want, if you help enough people get what they want, you'll get what you want. If you help enough people get what they want, you'll get what you want. That needs to be your attitude on that. So hopefully you are a people person. I can't tell you how many people I've interviewed. I'm a people person. And if you are and you like people genuinely, then that's going to help, because you're interested in them. When you ask them these questions, they'll see that and feel your sincerity. But if you say to yourself, look, my goal is to sell a car. However, I know until I put all their needs and wants in front of mine, that I'm probably not going to sell the car. So again, if I help enough people get what they want, then I'll be able to help, or I can be able to get what I want. So when I was a salesperson, I told you I didn't know anything except for open-ended questions, and I heard the acronym F.O.R.D. So if I was scrambling, I'd say, hey, Chris, you got 2 ears, 1 mouth, reasonable proportion, you need to be asking more questions. So I would think to myself, what's an open-ended question I could ask them to keep them going and keep them talking, to gain the needs and wants. One time, imagine this, I'm all wired on coffee, I'm bouncing off, I got enough acetaminophen and coffee in me that I'm just bouncing off the walls one day. And I get these customers, and I wasn't matched up with them. I was way too fast and moving way too quickly for them. And I could just feel the body language, and I know maybe somebody mentioned something to somebody, like he's asking a lot of questions. There was like 3 or 4 of them. It was a couple, and then they had the kids with them. And somebody I could hear in the background as I was walking to go get keys with a couple of them, they said that something about he's asking a lot of questions or something, and I was hitting them, but I was asking them kind of too quick, too rapid fire. So I stopped, and I turned around, and I said, I got to tell you, I just started this job about 4 months ago. I really like it. I kind of remember I told you by 3rd month I started making some money. So I really liked it, and I said I'm just excited, and quite frankly I've probably got a little too much coffee in me and maybe a little too much enthusiasm. But here's what I know. I was reading a book last night, and I actually happened to have the quote in my pocket because I was pulling it out all day long looking at it. And I pulled it out and I said, and here's what the guy said, and I showed it to him. And it was Zig Ziglar, and I said, if I help enough people get what they want, I'll get what I want. So I'm not trying to act like I'm doing all this for charity and I need to get in shape. That's the reason I'm walking around this lot. I'm doing this because I want to sell a car to make some money, but I do know unless I put everything that you want first, that I won't get to sell the car and I won't get what I want. And it broke the ice. And it worked so good, I actually put the thing up on my desk and just kind of had it sitting there almost like it was a picture. Just kind of sitting there for a while. It was kind of cool. I've still got it at home, and it's like folded over, and it's kind of brown now, so anyway. But I just wanted to share that with you after watching that. I want you to take, hey, we get that, it's funny, and I think it's funny too. However, keep in mind that if you help enough people get what they want, you'll get what you want.